Hey, everybody! Welcome, dear friends, to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to fix the search not working in TikTok app. Don't forget, friends, please give this video a like. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel and write comments after watching it. So let us get started. Please open up the TikTok app on your device first. And now let's go to the search section here. And let's say we're going to search for something. Let's type in any word. And if you select a word and you have a search, you see various videos on that topic. That's very good. If, unfortunately, that doesn't happen and your search doesn't work, what can you do? I recommend that you go to your profile. Then the three bars at the top. Then Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and select this option so that you can delete the cache that you have accumulated in TikTok. Click Cache, Delete, and wait a while for it to be cleared. Now I recommend that you go to Settings and then scroll down to the bottom, Application, or just go to General, then Storage. And here you'll find the TikTok app. And you'll just need to upload the app. After you unload it, please download it back. This way, you will completely remove the various cached and unnecessary files that are in the TikTok app that are stored on your device, which can, in turn, very much clog up the memory both in the app itself and your device, because of which you may not be able to search in TikTok. After reinstalling this application, I also recommend you to reboot your phone additionally. This is the way you can try to fix TikTok search not working, friends. Be sure, friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write comments. See you soon, friends.